What's up, guys? Jason over at Kaiser Willys, back on Mike CJ3B. I had a customer call the other day, and he was talking about his cable and his rod. And this is going to be the same setup right here that is on the 3B, on the 2A, the 3A. It's going to be the same for all those CJs. So when it comes to getting a kit from Kaiser Willys, you're going to get the bell crank, you're going to get the ball stud that goes here, the one that comes up here on the frame. You're going to get the little discs. You're going to get the felts, the oil seals, the spring. But you're also going to get the cable and the rod, which is right here. And so we have two different kits. We've got the one that's the MB and the GPW, and that's going to be the shorter setup because of the way that everything is set up here. And then you get the CJ kit, which is going to be the longer cable and the longer rod here. But what he was having an issue with on his CJ3A was that the cable that we sent him, he said, was too long compared to his original one. And so I got some photos, and what had happened is that this ear was tipped forward. And so that made this setup right here, even when he bottomed this out, to be too long. Now, what happens when you move this ear forward this way? Then this back ear is going to go in the opposite direction. So this moves forward, this moves back. So when he measured his rod, it was a lot longer. And that was the reason why this cable came in too long for his setup, is because this ear was too far forward on this side, and then now the rod. So if you were to take this rod and leave the rod and only get the cable and switch that out, then whatever rod distance that you have here is going to be the wrong size for this right here. So when you get the kits, make sure that you measure the cable. We list the sizes of each, but this is your typical CJ setup with the long cable and this rod that's right here. I'm going to link all the part numbers to it, but that's the typical setup here for the CJ 2A, 3A, 3B, for the most part 5 if you're 4-cylinder. So just kind of showing you guys this, and I'll have all the part numbers linked below. If you have any questions, always call and we'll try to help you out. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.